Struct. A struct is a data template that is used to combine 0 or more other data types into one unit. Structs are usually data representations in application programs that we create. Data in structs is stored in fields. Simply put, a struct is a collection of fields. In this scenario, a struct named customer is created with attributes name, address, and age, each having respective data types of string and integer. Following the struct definition, we proceed to create a variable named customer derived from the customer struct. Subsequently, we input the attributes, set the name to John, address to Jeladline, no, and age to 25. Then, we print the details of the customer. Additionally, we demonstrate an alternative method for initializing struct attributes by using curly braces without explicitly specifying each attribute. This approach can be employed when you want to set multiple attributes during initialization without specifying each one individually. Exercised. Define a struct called address with fields for city and country. Extend the person struct to include an address field. Create a person with an address and print their details. In this scenario, we begin by creating a struct named person with attributes name, address, and age. Additionally, a function called printDetail is defined, which takes a person as an argument and prints the person's name and address. Following this, we create another struct named address with attributes city and country. Subsequently, a struct named person with address is created, combining the attributes of a person and an address. Moving on to the main function, an instance of the person with address struct is declared and initialized with values. The attributes are set to David for name, 25 for age, Riverside for the address, New York for the city, and USA for the country. Finally, the details of the person with address instance are printed.